This is a 2010 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. This truck has an automatic transmission, a 5.3-liter V8, four-wheel drive, and a clean, non-smoker interior. Its top features and packages include an off-road package, a double wishbone independent front suspension, a heavy-duty suspension, a remote start feature, traction control and stability control systems, XM satellite radio, aluminum wheels, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: air conditioning with automatic climate control, cruise control, steering wheel mounted controls, a 6-speaker audio system, leather and alloy steering wheel trim, automatic locking wheel hubs, a bed liner, dusk sensing headlights, full power accessories, and this vehicle has less than 36,000 miles. Call now to find out how you can own this breathtaking vehicle.
Ford of Mansfield is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is as pleasant as possible. We are located at 1515 West 4th Street in Mansfield.